Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting clean source material. Pick a mic that suits the room and talent, then record high-resolution WAV at 48K HZ and 24-bit so the AI has headroom. Once done, capture a short reference tone and slate to help alignment and loudness matching later. Make sure to log metadata and name files clearly. This saves hours when you batch process. Then create a dry copy and an archival copy, keeping noise floor notes for the model to analyze. You feed the dry files into a denoiser and deriverb model first, running conservative settings to avoid artifacts. Try 10 to 40% reduction, then audition. Next, run source separation or stem extraction so you can treat vocals, dialogue, and instruments separately. This gives precise control. Once isolated, use AI equalization and adaptive compression, and if your workflow allows, fine-tune a lightweight model with a handful of annotated examples to match tonal character consistently across files. You now balance loudness and dynamics. Use an AI-aware LUFS target, for example -16 LUFS for podcasts, and check true peak values before export. Once levels are set, render stems and a master in both WAV and a compressed format, and archive the project with plugins and model parameters for reproducibility. If you hear pumping, robotic tones, or loss of transients, revert to the prior saved version and reduce the AI processing strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.